Presenting a pre-owned 2014 BMW. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include cold weather package, premium package, technology package, anti-theft alarm system, heated front seats, navigation system, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.